Welcome viewers to another video of Keson 48-inch TV. When you turn it on, you hear sound but no pictures. Do not forget to subscribe. It's on standby now. We are to press the power button to turn green. You see, the green light was there, but no pictures. Here we have started opening the TV as shown in the video up to this stage. There we see backlights. First row with 7 lights. So 3 rows by 7 lights, that means 21 lights in it. Right. It means someone repaired this. He bypassed this light. Why? Anyway, let's remove this cover to see what happened or what causes backlights not to turn on. Right, we've removed this cover and we have this charger. It's a 5-volt charger which we are going to use. It's in some of my other videos. I explained a lot, but we are going to use it to test each light one by one. We can't test one row when using this charger because it's small, right? But it can only work on one light. Right, here we are plugging the charger on AC. Now it's on. We are going to put red pro, another terminal to a brake pro terminal. Then we start like as shown in the video. If you see that light is good, we test it. It's good. Let's go on to the second light. It's only we do not have a machine that tests a row or all of them. You see, the second light is good. Right, we are going on the third light. We have to finish each row doing this. If one is not turning on, that means it's the one which is causing the lights not to turning on. Right here, this light is blown away. It's not turning on. So we have to replace this light. You see why? This is because the lights are connected in series. If one light blows off, then the rest they will not turn on. Right, you see, others are lights are okay, right? Let's check this again. You see, the light is good, right? Continue doing this on all 3 rows, right? Here we are going to check 2 lights one time, but we are using 5 volts, so you will see they are a bit dim like that. What we just need to know is that the lights are good. This one, we are going to replace it. Here we have removed the light. Now we are to replace with this light. Take a look and don't go away in this video. See how we connected it, right? After we put it on, right, we are here to put it on because we have finished fixing or replacing the light. Look, our TV is on. We are going to turn on the power button. All lights are going to turn on like that. This is great. The lights are on. So we are returning the LCD. Check well in all these 4 corners if the LCD flashed well in these corners. Avoid breaking it. Right. We continue closing it as shown in the video. We are closing it. Lastly, we are to put screws on this side. It's shown in the video. Right, let's close this cover or put this cover back. Right, it's totally closed. After we have closed this, we are to test it before we return it to the client. Let's turn on our power supply. Right, now it's on standby. Let's turn on the green, the button, power on button. It's green. Boom. KesonTV. It's on now. I'm happy to see this TV coming back to work again. So if this video is helpful, viewers, please give a thumb